So now today we try to introduce this Wi-Fi switch. Now we take a back of the product, and you can see that this switch needs the N9 and the L9, and is the 2-gun switch. You can match this. And today we make a test for the switch for the evening app control and work with the 4G signal and try. Now we get the electronic, and then we test the key for the open. Yes. Okay, the switch is the opening, and then we try to use the evening app to match it with the switch. Evening app, and then we try to match with the 2.4 Wi-Fi signal, and after ready for the Wi-Fi, we begin to match. Press the switch, and then this is your home Wi-Fi signal. Remember, choose the 2.4G Wi-Fi signal to match it. 2.4G Wi-Fi, and then begin to match. And then you can find that you can see that the blue line is fastly, and then it began to successfully completed. What a name for this switch. And then, okay, after connect, we try to use the app to control for the switch and the lamp. You can see that it can control normally. Remember, you need to use the evening app for the latest model, otherwise it cannot be work. And now we try to use the 4G network to use this switch, and now we close the Wi-Fi signal. And then we open the 4G network and try to use the app and test again. You can see that now we are not use the Wi-Fi model. We use the 4G signal, and then we test again. So this switch can be control the lamp. Otherwise, you not in the house, you can control it in the roadside. So this switch is for the VHOME model.